guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dee Dee with Dee Dee Loves Beauty, and I'm coming to you today with a new do. Yes, I have new braids in my hair. I know my last tutorial I had the locks, which I loved, but unfortunately they just did not last that long, so I had to take them out quickly. This is a new set of braids that I have. Rewind. So this video, guys, is just a review on the hair itself. It's not a tutorial because these are just basic crochet braids, and at this point everybody knows how to do a crochet braid. It's not anything fancy. My hair is cornrowed, and it's just a basic crochet. So I didn't do a tutorial on this. I didn't actually do my hair, that's why I didn't do a tutorial. I went and got it done at a shop, and so this video is strictly going to be about a review of the hair itself. So if you're interested in the review on this hair, you want to know the pros and cons of it, then please keep on watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. This hair, guys, is by Janet Collection, and it is Crochet Passion Twist. So of course Passion Twist have been all the vibes on Instagram. Everybody's been doing them. I saw them initially probably months ago, you know, the ones that you actually do individually. I love the look of those. I haven't been able to find someone here in Houston where I live to do them, so I hadn't had an opportunity to get them. But then on Instagram I actually saw someone that posted these and said that they were crochet, so I was like, oh, that's perfect for me, you know, let me go ahead and try them out. So I went to my beauty supply store. I went to one, they didn't have it, so then I tried another one, and sure enough I found them. So guys, this hair is by Janet Collection, and it is their Passion Twist. It is in the color 1B, and it is 24 inches. Yes, 24 inches. So if you do not like long hair, I would not suggest getting these. You may want to just try and get someone to do them individually into your hair. So they are very long, and I will get up and I'll insert a clip of me standing up with the hair so you guys can see how long it is on me. I'm only 5'4", so it really comes really low on me. So but yes, so the hair, I saw the hair online for about $8, but of course when you go to the beauty supply store, typically it is a higher price. So this, when I purchased it, was $10. It was $10 a bag. I ended up using 5 bags of hair. So let's start off just talking about the things that I do like about the hair. So the things that I like about the hair are the fact that it is a passion twist and it is crocheted, so that means that you can definitely get it in and get the look for definitely a shorter amount of time that you would have if it was actually individually braided to your hair. I liked the length of the hair. It is a change for me. I don't typically have braids that are this long. And what else? I like the color. They're very light. To say I have 5 bags, they are very light. So I do like this, and I love the look. So if you were looking for the passion twist look, you don't want to sit down for 6 hours to get it done, then this is your go-to. Now, to the cons. I've had this hair in for 1 week, and what I've noticed about it is that, I know you probably can't see this, but the hair is like frizzing up. It kind of like I don't want to say frizzing up, but it kind of like some of the hair is just sticking out of the braid. I don't know the correct term that you would use, but at night I sleep with a large satin bonnet on, and then I also sleep on a satin pillow. So it's not that, you know, I'm sleeping on the wrong surface or whatever, but it is starting to just do that, and it kind of I kind of have to rub my hands through it because they'll kind of clump together a little bit and they'll kind of tangle almost. I don't know. Oh, you can see this piece right here. So if you look at this piece, you can see how it is like the hair, like it's literally just sticking together. So you kind of pull it and break it, and then it'll come apart. It also snags a lot. So you can see this is, and I didn't cut it on purpose because I want to show you guys, but I had on a shirt for work. It had a zipper in the back, and it literally snagged on the zipper. I could not get it off. I tried my best to be light-handed with it, but it just snagged, and I just had to basically just rip it off. So thank goodness it wasn't my real hair. Otherwise, you know, I'd have been missing some hair because I literally just yanked it off to get it off. So I think that's definitely like the biggest con for me, is that I don't like that it snags on everything that it literally just snags on everything. And like I said, I've only had it for a week, so I'm planning on keeping this in for a few weeks, but I just don't know how long it's gonna last. So I'll let you guys know probably in a future video before I take it down, you know, what are my final thoughts. And then also here at the top, it's kind of frizzing up as well. So if you guys are someone out there that knows something I can do with the braids, I don't know if I need to use like a styling foam or something. Maybe if I could put it on there, then, but then I don't want to mess it up. So if you have any tips and tricks for this issue with braids, please let me know. I've never experienced this when I get individual braids. This is a first for me with these crochet type braids, so I really don't know if they are just do this all of the time. I don't even know if the individual passion twist, they may do this as well. I just don't know. I haven't had them. So if you guys if you have any tips for me, please let me know in the description box what I can do to save this hair. And then my other cons are not necessarily about the hair. It is just some tips for you guys if you are doing it on your own, or if you're going to the shop to have someone do it. So when I went to the shop to get it done, originally I was going to do it myself. And you know, I'm one of the struggle people. I cannot do cornrows myself. I'm gonna learn one day, but that day has not come. So I went to the shop and I said, hey, I just want to get my hair braided back. And they said, well, is it to go under a wig, or is it for something else? And I said, well, I want to do crochet braids. So then I sat down in the chair and they gave me like this elaborate, you know, braiding of my hair down to my scalp. They also added in a braiding hair as well. And at that point, I realized like, oh, this is too much. It's gonna take me forever to crochet this myself. So then I ended up just telling them, just go ahead and crochet all of the hair in my head. Now I had previously watched a video here on YouTube. The lady said she used 5 bags of hair. So I thought, you know, that's all I'm gonna buy. But quickly I learned when the lady was doing my hair at the shop that 5 bags was not gonna be enough, because she had so many braids in my hair. So my advice to you guys is just make sure when you're going to these shops, make sure you are specific in what you want, because 5 bags was not enough for me. I do have some braids in my hair right now that do not have the crochet braids in it, because otherwise it would just be way too much hair in my head. And you guys know, if you watch my previous video with my if you watch the previous video that I had about my locks that I put in, I do not like to have a lot of braids in my hair. I just don't. I think it's heavy, it pulls on your hair and all this stuff like that. So make sure you're specific and you want with what you want. Looking back, I wish I would have just went in and told them, hey, can I get like, you know, 8 or 9 braids just going straight back and then connected at the bottom, and then 5 bags would have been enough, because it would have just been those braids going straight back Of course, it would have looked like crochet braids, but I mean, that's fine with me. So again, that's just a lesson learned on my part. I didn't necessarily know, you know, what I should be asking for versus what I got. But I do like the look. I just have to make sure when I wear my hair out in public, I usually kind of pull my hair back like this so that my hair is kind of tight together, so that you won't see the braids that I have that don't have any of the crochet braids on it. But for the most part, I just wanted to come in and give you guys a quick review on this hair. Again, I've only had it for 1 week. These are the things that I'm experiencing with it so far. I do think that if you do traditional cornrows, just going straight back, you would be perfectly okay with only getting 5 bags. But if you want to do the intricate thing and you got all these different braids, like literally the braid pattern in my hair, I think I have about 8 braids going back to the probably halfway into my head, like here, and then the back of my head, she kind of did like a circle pattern with the braids. So I'm not really sure the reason why she decided to do that braid pattern. I don't know, guys. I'm not blaming them. I'm not trying to come on here and bash them or anything. I'm just saying that I didn't know what to ask for, and this is what I got. So I really do like the look. I do like the passion twist. Do I think that I would repurchase these? Probably not, because of them getting tangled together, and with the hair I probably wouldn't try them again. I am looking forward to doing some other looks. I'm not quite sure if I want to do the individual passion twist as well. I'm probably going to take a break from braids after this and probably just wear my natural hair. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching, because I will be posting some videos of my natural hair. I have been natural for a while. I just don't post videos about it. If you're interested in this eyeshadow tutorial, I did record it, and it's probably going to be up before or after this video, so make sure you tune in for that. But anyway, I hope this video will help out somebody that was interested in getting these crochet passion twists. Maybe I can help you out. Hopefully this video was helpful if you are doing it on your own, or if you're going to the shop and getting it done. Either way, it is a look, it is a vibe. I do like it. I have been on braids for a minute now, and I don't know, it's easy. Braids are just easy. Of course, you got to make sure with your edges and stuff like that, but I don't even know if I would call it a protective style, but it's just easy. It's quick and easy. You can get up and go, and you don't have to worry about messing with your hair, so that's why I like it. But anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share, guys. I'm trying to grow my beauty fam here on YouTube. Let me know in the description box any videos that you would like to see from your girl, and I'll try and get those out as soon as possible. But again, this is DDLUVSBEAUTY. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.